Have you ever felt that if emotions were taken out of trading, you would be a better trader? Or the lack of automation capabilities are stopping you from being a disciplined trader? Most traders have a plan, but they struggle to stick to it consistently. Before market hours, things are clear. But once the market opens, things change. Prices start moving faster than expected. You either wait too long and miss your entry, or enter earlier than planned. While looking at your P&L, your emotions take over and you keep adjusting your stop loss. At this point, you realize that you had a plan, you knew what you were supposed to do, but you still didn't follow it. This is exactly what we wanted to solve for, and that's why we built Automate. Automate turns your trading strategies into workflows without having to write a single line of code. You can plan your trading in advance. What to trade, when to execute, and when to exit. Once that plan is set, Automate follows it exactly the same way every single time. Let us take a look at how Automate works on FYERS Web. When you open Automate, you'll see three main sections. Overview gives you a quick understanding of what the platform can do. Explore has ready-made workflows for common automations. And Dashboard is where you manage and track your automations. You can either start with something from Explore, make changes to it, or you can choose to build an automation completely from scratch. Let us look at how Automate is built. At its simplest, it works on a workflow canvas. Every automation is built using three building blocks. Triggers define when a workflow should run. Actions define what the workflow should do. And conditions define how the workflow should behave. The triggers can be price and range breakouts, time-based rules and schedules, orders and portfolio status, P&L targets and stop losses, technical indicators, webhooks across all platforms, and many more. Actions can be order placement, modification and cancellation, adding stop losses and targets, monitoring and exiting positions, sending alerts, and stopping the automation altogether. Conditions are nothing but operators like and, or, if, any. Let us create a simple automation of setting up a bull-put spread on a nifty breakout. Step 1. Let us create the trigger. I will create a schedule that runs daily at 9 AM. Then we'll create a range breakout trigger that monitors nifty range between 9:30 and 10, which will wait for the breakout in the upward direction in a 1-minute time frame. Step 2. Now let us define the actions. 1. Buy out of the money put options. 2. Check if the order is executed before proceeding to the second leg. 3. Sell at the money put option. And last, define the stop loss and target to exit the strategy. That's it. Your automation is ready. Click Start to run the workflow. From this point, it simply waits for the trigger and executes the workflow exactly as defined. You can see the automation, the current status, and the history in your dashboard. Automate on FYERS has been designed to help you trade without emotions and remove the stress of constantly monitoring the markets and positions. Start small, pick up a ready-made workflow from Explore, and build from there. Automate is now live on FYERS. Check it out now.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.